Sometimes on Instagram, you'll be chatting with the Instagram AI chat, and sometimes push notifications from that chat will come. If you don't want push notifications from that AI chat, you can disable them. In this video, we'll show you how to disable push notifications from any Instagram AI chat. If you do this, not all notifications will be disabled, only that specific AI chat's push notifications will be disabled. For this, open the Instagram app. After that, here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you click on that, here you can see every chat. And here you can also see the Instagram AI chat. For example, this is one Instagram AI chat. I want to disable push notifications for this Instagram AI chat. For that, I'm selecting this, and when you select it, here you can see the I button. Click on this I button. And here you can see the options. This is because this AI chat was created by others. If you created that AI chat yourself, here you'll directly see the mute option. Anyway, click on the options. When you click on that, here you can see the mute option. Click on mute. When you click on that, here you can see hide message previews. Sometimes it will be turned off, by default it will be turned off. If you don't want push notifications, you need to enable this. After that, you can exit from this. Anyway, this way you can easily disable push notifications from your Instagram AI chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.